All right, let's look around. Let's see. They got the women's section right there. Got the men's section right there. Ooh, and then got. Ooh, look at here. That's. Is this yellowed already? I don't know. All right, I am here with family, so yeah, not gonna be able to stop by all the shops today, but is this part yellow or like is that the way it is? I haven't seen these in a while. I don't know. That looks all right. I guess it's this part just looks discolored a little. Like doesn't look pure white. Is it just the light, the color of the light here? I don't know. Okay, that's definitely interesting. Size 9. You got some 7s, 1s, the Mars. I don't remember what this. Something with Mars. I don't remember. Got some 1s right here. Patent ones. Got some Dunks. More Dunks. I think we see these in the women's section. Yep. Look, 1s. Air Max 1s right there. Got tons of lows. Mids. More mids. Holy cow. Still got 2s. Here. That is a surprise. And I'm not live streaming because they're going to close this store soon. And y'all will have this information by the morning. So if y'all need these, you guys can stop by in the morning. $1.60 for these. This is a size, 9.5 right here for is it the George Greens? I don't know, something George. I don't know. Man, I've not been keeping up with releases at all. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, the leather on this one's way nicer. Holy. Yeah, the leather on this one's way nicer. They're both highs. Okay. Checking out the women's section. Do you got the 2s in the women's section? Got Dunks here. Got more Dunks. Then do you got the 4s? These are grade school, right? These are grade school. There's in the women's section here. Bunch of different materials. I don't know. I'm alright with those. And then tons and tons and tons of mids right here. Highs, lows. Look at this. Is this a Comfort? What is this? A Zoom Air. Oh, okay, it's a Zoom Air. Pretty freaking soft. Speaking of soft, look at this one. Holy cow. $1.80 for these right here. I just realized I haven't been going over all the prices. All the mids go for $1.25. $1.35 for that one. That one's a SC, and then $1.50 for these right here, the Air Zooms. The Zooms do have a ton of comfort. They have Zoom. The Zoom strobe unit, it is up top. And I think that's about it. That's about it, dude. So I think that's where all the dope stuff is. This is it right here, you guys. Dang, dude. All right, let's go. I want to hit up a couple, at least the lids. Let's go. All right, I am here with family, so I can't check out too many spots, but do got a lids, man. I had to come here. Got $5 hats. We got the jerseys. Let's go. Gotta start with the jerseys here. They don't have that many. Not too many. Steve Smith. 65, it is 40% off on top. That's a really good price. What size is that? That's an XL right there. Got the Petrovic jerseys. We've seen a ton of that. Down to $100. 40% off, so $60 for those. Got a few sizes. You can see the size tags up top. Too good. These are $98, so $60 for all the Pippen jerseys. Large, mediums. $60, that's not bad. I got double XL right here and an XL, so got one of every size almost. Magic jerseys, Hardaway Magic jerseys. These are kind of weird though. But $60 for those. Got a few sizes. More Steve Smith jerseys. These, oh, $65. $65. What sizes are they? That's an XL. And this is a medium, so $65. That's hella cheap. We got Niner shorts. I don't think they're on sale though. $94. $94 for these. Yeah, I'm good. That's just too much. I got a few sizes too. Also got Rams ones, but $94, that's just way too much. So everything that's $20 and over, or $20 and under, my bad, $20 and under, it is It is only what yeah, they're $5. They're $5. So they do have a ton of hats, but like they're all 25 or more. There's just not that many. There's a couple Dodger hats, like the adjustable hat right here, going for what, $5. So University of Georgia hat go for $5. But like they do have a ton of other hats. They're all $25. All-Star Game version right here. That's a Bulls hat right there. Clippers hat. This one's 25. Just not that many steals today, man. Like, this is pretty dope with the cream color, but it's still 25. Not seeing much, dude. Not seeing much. Seeing these Browns ones. I already got one of these for family members. I'm not really seeing much, you guys. Not seeing much. I'll just be happy with this. I think that's it, man. That's it, because all these, like $25, $30 for these too. All right, I'm gonna have to check out some more stops. I'm gonna have to go to a few more places this weekend. Let's go. That's all I got, man. That's all I got. All right, man. I see everybody on YouTube and Instagram, Hustler Hacks, Ross Boss, all these fools finding stuff at Burlington and Ross. All right, let's go. Let's try it, man. Dang, this is like a extra bootleg jersey, Drew Brees jersey, like an extra bootleg. $20 for these. Yeah, it's just team apparel. Is that a real members only jacket from 1984? Is that really one? Okay. I haven't seen one of these in forever. $30. I don't know what the actual or retail price is. Damn, I don't see no jerseys. No Mitchell and S gear. Man, dude, I never have any luck. I know those fools go to like 6 of them a day. But you know, I don't have time for all that. Checking out the sneakers now. Do got some Nikes here. Do got Witness. These are 4s, right? Witness 4s. Do got those going for $40. That is a size 10. Okay, pretty clean. Do got some RSX right here. These are 9.5, $35. These are hella comfy. That's not bad at all. Not bad. Got some size 10.5s of these RSX right here. Got Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Going for $40. That's a hell of a price. Holy crap. Running shoes, legit running shoes for $35. Another one of these, 10.5. The LeBron Witness 4s. Another color of these RSX, going for $35. Okay. Another one of these LeBron 4s. This is all black with the white, going for $40. Okay, like a black cement type of one in here. That was a size 11 right there. Size 10 right here. Got some top 10s. Top 10s going for $35. So we are seeing some decent brands here. Some Nike Renews. What the hell that is? Size 10, $45 for that. I'm not familiar with that one. More of these RSX things. These are what, a 9.5? Oh, 7.5. Another one right there. So are these Solar Boost? Solar Glides. Solar Glides does have full length boost on it. $30. That's actually really, really good. This is a size 10. That is a size 10. That's actually a really good deal. Some Killshot 2 leathers. Size 10 going for $40. Another one of these things. Infinity Run Flyknit 2, size 9.5, $40. Got some Stan Smith 2s, aka Levi Nothings, go for $25. Got some Skechers. Big old midsole right there. Going for $40, size 8, I don't know. Another one of these LeBron Witness 4, size 11.5, go for $40. Got some Pumas. What are these, like some Style Riders? I don't know all the Puma names. Oh no, they're here. Size 8, $30. More of these, 8.5. Wannabe Prestos. Some Fila, some Stackhouse. Oh my god, if they had this my size, I would so get it. Especially at the lower price of $30, the Stackhouse. Oh my gosh, I didn't want to pay 100 for these, but 30, 40, I'll pay that. Oh man, Stackhouse, I can't believe they got these. Then of course more of these, and more and more. In the huge sizes, these looks like what? Oh, some 420s. Some 420s going for $30, 11 and a half right here. More top 10, some bigger sizes. Supernovas. These are going for $35. These are pretty nice. More of these Infinity Flyknits going for $40. That's definitely a steal. More LeBron's Witnesses. Got some Yeezy ponies. Not really. Yo, the selection getting way better. Not crazy good yet, but selection is getting significantly better. Okay. Checking out the hat section. Not really seeing too much. Ultra Game. Never really heard of that brand. Got a bunch of that. I don't see no Michelin S. No New Era. Nope. Alright, I did peruse off camera a little bit. Alright, on to the next spot. I think there's a spot across the street. Let's go. Alright, across the street they do have another Ross or another discount spot. Ross, let's go see if they got anything, man. Burlington was better than I thought. Sneakers wise, not looking too good. They do got these 2090s. Last one I stopped by, I just saw a bunch of the white ones. $65. God damn, dude. Another one of these going for $65. Size 10. Checking out the size 10.5, 10s. They just got these. That's it, yo. That's it. Some wannabe, I don't know. Alright, let's go. Oh, wait, some Pegasus. 9.5. Got some Pegasus right here. I think $45. Is that what it says right there? I don't see a tag on it. Looks like it's 45. Some more of these RSX right here. Going for $30. Pretty cool colorway. These aren't comfy though. Oh yeah, here's another Pegasus right here. 45. Yep. All right, nothing too great with the sneakers. They have been finding the Michelin S, so. And I just want to find one. But yeah, they just been having these little bootleg jerseys. I'm not even going to talk about the price on those. Some super generic NFL hoodies. Like, there's no team on it, just says NFL. What the hell is that about? $20 for those. And that's at the Ross near me, or the Rosses that I've been to. That's like all I've really seen, to be honest. I haven't really seen all the Michelin S, but like I said, I haven't been to 4 or 5 of those. I know some of the resellers be going to a ton. I don't really do that. I might go to like one when I'm just trying to kill time or something. Super low end windbreaker. Super low end windbreaker right here, $30. That's the lightest windbreaker I've ever seen. Yeah, this is it, man. This is the type of stuff they have, man. Yeah, man, that's pretty much about it, yo. But you could get a Ford Mustang cologne. What the hell? All right, we're done. Official.